Hey, it's Matt, the old Florida boy. Today we got something a little bit different. Me and Trailblazer Tim from the Creative Outdoorsman. I'll leave a link to his channel right in the description below. We're on an overnight camping trip in Sebastian River State Park. You saw my 30-year-old Tech Sport 3-person dome tent, still going strong after 30 years. I'm going to show you around that in a little while. But first, it's time to get something cold to drink. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, there's Tim's setup for the night. He's got the Academy Sports Compass 4 tent. Sleeps 4. There's only one of his little ass in there. But there you go. There's my 30-year-old Tech Sport dome tent. And I got my inflatable pillow and my Academy Sports $10 sleeping bag, along with my nice air mattress. Should be pretty comfy tonight. And that air mattress is the Alpine Design large inflatable sleeping pad with pillow. I've had that for probably 15 years, and it's still going strong. I had one little leak in the pillow, that's about it. But the Alpine Design large inflatable sleeping pad with pillow, we're going to see how that performs tonight. I've been using that for a while, still works great. We came out with our medium Alice pack with 2 canteens, one on each side. We got them out there. Got the stove in here and a lot of other stuff in there. My medium Alice pack, that's my level 3 pack, and it worked great. So let's see what we got for dinner. Man, we got the fire going. I brought my wood gas stove, but I don't even think I'm gonna need it. I think I'm just gonna cook with my canteen cup right over this, right in the coals here. So we're gonna do a good selection today, and I think you're gonna like it. Take a little walk here outside of the camp. There's an old house right here, and we've been out here before. There was me and Trailblazer Tim came out here, and a Florida girl from Florida Girl Adventures met us out here. And this is like a 100-year-old house with an old brick foundation here. Really cool. It looks like they had some kind of a basement over here, and that's about 6 feet deep down there. I don't know what they use that for. Well, you can tell just the old bricks go just one direction, side to side, and it's really cool. I think we'll come back here when it's dark and see how spooky it is. But take you over and show you the board that tells about this house. Alright, this is one of my favorite campsites. You know, again, we are at the Sebastian River Preserve State Park. You know, there's a nice map of it, everything else. You know, alligator safety tips. Safety tip is stay away from that guy right there. That's probably your best safety tip. But this is one of my favorite campsites because 100 yards away from the camp, they have this nice boardwalk. You go right down this boardwalk and right out into the Sebastian River, the South Fork of the Sebastian River. All right, look at that. Be a better boater. Slow. And our old friend the manatee. Slow. We do not want to run into our old friend the manatee. Here's our South Canoe launch. And this is a really cool place. Oh, it used to have a canoe launch and a dock that went out there. Now it kind of just dead ends off into the water. Look how nice this is. Oh, and speak of the devil, I don't know if you can see him, but right there, right there is an alligator. can't get him right there in the middle of the picture. I don't know if you can see him. Right there is an alligator. Yeah, there you go. That's the guy everyone tells you to look out for. Hey, little dude. He's about 100 yards away from me right now. There he is. You should definitely not go swimming out here in the Sebastian River tonight. That would probably not be a good idea. But man, we got it made. It's 75 degrees. The nice Sebastian River back here. This is just a wonderful place. There's blizzard warnings up north and in the northeast, and we got this. River's only about 100 yards across right here, and it's pretty darn nice. Let's go back up to the camp. Oh man, it's just getting dark. Me and Trailblazer Tim hanging out, drinking a couple of beers. What could be better than this? There's not a cloud in the sky. It's dead calm right now.
0% chance of rain.
And it's what, 70, about 68, 70 degrees? Y'all in the snowstorm, you wish you were here.
Hey, you know what? All I can say is this night's falling in. It's perfect. We're having a great time. Not rubbing it in nobody's noses or anything like that. We're having fun. Get out there and have fun with too.
Get off your ass, get off of the couch, and go camping. It's fun. All right, so here we are in the 30-year-old Tech Sport 3-person dome tent in the Alpine Design air mattress and matching pillow, and this is so comfortable after a long day of hanging out and cooking and dinner and drinking a little bit, and man, we had a good time today. So we couldn't have better weather. It's about 65 degrees here, no wind, and you know, it's time to go to bed. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and we're gonna do a big breakfast with eggs and sausage and whatever else we can find to throw in there. So I'm gonna turn in right now and I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, that's the way we do it. There's gonna be coffee going soon. Here's Trailblazer Tim, and here is me. Man, I gotta get some coffee. All right, just like I said, what goes with me on every trip, here's my standard food bag. And it's got all kinds of stuff. I got oatmeal in there if I want it this morning. I got some coffee and some cream. I got everything in there. I'm heating the water up in my canteen cup, but I'm gonna drink the coffee out of the not scorching hot glacier mug. But we ain't gonna cook no oatmeal. We're gonna do some sausage and eggs. You won't want to miss it. All right, let's see how close our coffee is. Ooh, I think it's going to be coffee. Tim's doing his on the Stanley Adventure Series with the Esbit. He's going to drink out of his canteen cup. But I'm going to see how I can get this off of here and get it over and get some coffee going. Fire up the holy mackerel.
Get the crap plan.
Whew. Man, look at that. Oh, Oh man, coffee save your life. Whoo, that is hot. It's gonna be cooking time soon.
I'm gonna have to get this ran through me and clear my system out behind the tree somewhere.
All right, on the menu this morning, we got some banquet, brown and serve, beef sausages, and we got a couple of nice brown eggs. They're in there, you just can't see them. So I'm gonna make a nice sausage and egg skillet. The cast iron is heating up on the fire right now, and we are gonna be cooking. Man, we got sizzling sausages over the fire in the cast iron. A few more minutes and they are gonna be ready. All right, I think our sausage links are ready. We're gonna pull them off. Wow, those things are hot. We are gonna get these little guys out of here. Put them straight into the canteen cup. If I can get them. Oh yeah. Just the canteen cup for safekeeping. We're going to cook the eggs right in the sausage grease. That greasy goodness. Ooh, all right, here we go. We got our hot pan. These are going to cook probably almost without going to the fire. Little shell never hurt anybody. Yeah, they're already cooking up. They got a little bit of shell in there. These are going to get scrambled up. I'm going to scramble them up right now, as a matter of fact. Oh yeah, look at that, it's starting to look good. We're gonna put this aside, okay, and we are going to use our canteen cup lid as a little cutting board, and we're gonna cut up our little smoky links with our Mora. Thanks, George. Here's the Mora. Oh yeah. These are going to go just like this, and they're going to go into the eggs. The brown and serve sausages are so easy to use because they're really cooked already. You know, you're just heating them up, the brown and serves. So well, if I wasn't doing this on a cast iron skillet, this would be a Canteen Cup Tuesday, I think. Oh man, this is going to be breakfast of champions, dude. Oh man, can't wait. How many sausages are in there? All right, got two more. All right, 1, 2. Okay, now, it's still hot. Look at that. Look at this sausage and egg skillet. Ooh. I'm gonna put that on the fire and cook them eggs up, and then we are gonna eat. Oh man, here we go. Look at this. It's still cooking in the cast iron. Ooh. I got like a sausage and egg, like frittata type deal. And that's good. I got a little bit of salt and pepper here mixed together. Oh yeah. Now, what would anything be without hot sauce? I forgot the Cristal. Timbo's got Texas Pete. We're just gonna put a drop in there. Now, we are ready. All right, here we go. Sausage egg frittata. Ooh, that's smoking.
Chain smoking.
Oh man, that's better than anything Denny's could make. Look at that sausage with the eggs.
Single pan skillet.
Single pan skillet. In the woods from Sebastian River State Park. Me and Tim had a great time. It was nice and cool last night. No clouds, no rain. I didn't even have the rain fly on my tent. In my $10 Academy Sports sleeping bag, I was nice and warm. It wasn't bad at all. The air mattress is losing a little bit of air though, so which concerns me. I don't know what. I don't know if it's got a hole in it or what. Maybe I just didn't tighten the valve enough. So there we go. On the first overnight of 2020 for Florida Boy Survival and the Creative Outdoorsman, and also the Swamp Rat Survivalist channel. Y'all support all of our channels. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, here's our campsite. Nothing left here either. Here we are. I got the medium Alice pack on. We are getting ready to rock and roll. We had a great time, and we will catch you on the next adventure. See you on the trail.